Hello, my name is Austin, and the organism that I chose was the crawfish. So the common name for crawfish is crawfish, and then the scientific name for crawfish is Procamerus clarkii. The natural habitat for crawfish is pretty diverse, as they are able to live in freshwater environments such as streams, lakes, ponds, rivers, swamps, marshes, etc. In these environments, crawfish don't just go and swim through the water all the time. Rather, they like to hide behind rocks and logs where they can have a stable shelter that also acts as protection against predators. Just like humans, crawfish classify as omnivores since they both eat plants and animals. Since they eat both plants and animals. Usually, the kinds of animals that crawfish eat are invertebrates such as insects, worms, dead or weak fish, and freshwater snails. The types of plants that they eat are algae, vegetation, and different aquatic plants. Crawfish act as a predator to animals such as snails, insect larvae, tadpoles, and worms. It's pretty clear to say that the animals that crawfish feed on are not too great in size and feed mainly on soft organisms. Inversely, crawfish are prey to other animals like birds, snakes, other crawfish, and of course, humans. Crawfish are a big part of Southern culture in the US, which makes it no surprise that humans are the biggest predators of crawfish. Some unique evolved traits of crawfish would be having big claws that are used as both protection and for capturing their prey, having stalk-mounted eyes, which allows them to broaden their field of vision, and then arguably the most important of all being that they can regenerate body parts that they lose. Then here is a cool diagram showing things like the claws, the eyes, and the tail that they also use to propel themselves around in the water and like walking legs. So crawfish are a type of crustacean. Because of this, they are located on the arthropoda branch on the tree of life. Other animals that are also located there are shrimps and crabs. Some classifying traits of arthropoda are having a segmented body and an exoskeleton. Crawfish are important to their ecosystem since they act as a role of a scavenger by eating dead plants and animals in the area. Doing this positively impacts the ecosystems since it improves water quality. Crawfish also act as food to other animals higher up on the food chain, which is essential to ecosystems since without having crawfish as a food source, other species would not be able to survive. Crawfish are important to humans because they act as a main food source for people, especially in the southern states of the US. Eating crawfish is a big deal in Southern culture, so without crawfish, Southern culture and diet would be very different. And then here's a bibliography. Thank you.